another day just started. We're walking towards the old city. We're gonna show you around.
We made to Baku and we are about to enter the old city. The history of Baku.
This is on the wood. So interesting handwork.
Да.
Look at this one.
Или как это там, да?
Да. Такое.
Pardon.
Ничто.
Da. As you see, they used catapults in their history to defend these walls. This is the entrance of Shirvanshahs Palace. We are about to enter and to film a bit.
Bakıda Qurban Bayramıdır. Azerbaycanda daha doğrusu. Çoxlu turistlər var. Formatı təzə qurtarıb deyə. Turistlər hələ də var Bakıda.
Hi everyone. Welcome to Shirvanshahs Palace.
I don't know what is that for. But you hear?
Aha, svetlo.
Tu ćemo i ići.
Kao kako su nekad kao hodali ovi.
Aha, to je 3D.
3D, da.
Jasno je. Jezu. Da. Ja znam.
This is the throne room. Ships approaching Maiden Tower in Baku.
The tip of these daggers, you see the shape, it means that this is for fight.
Sanjar.
Yes.
This is for fight.
And this is another one. Here you see that line goes way down. That is for blood of the
Yes.
enemy, for the blood flow. There is no any glue or nails used in this masterpiece.
How they used to wear their traditional clothes.
Here is Four Seasons Hotel.
This is the model of old city. Right now we are somewhere here. Then we are going to Maiden Tower. Tomb of Shah.
We're walking towards Maiden Tower. Maiden Tower. Now we're gonna buy tickets. Three of them went inside. It's too high for me, and I've been here before, so I'm not that interested. We'll hear from them later.
We are climbing the Maiden Tower.
And now it's about 3,000 Yeah. Nowadays, the population of Baku is 4 million.
Made it. Reached the top of Maiden Tower. The top of Baku.
Ja čare vidjela. Daj mi se kašni sine. Ako ne smijete više. Dobro.
Those are flame towers behind. After lunch we are going there. Mall and of course Caspian. Parts of the tools they used here in Shirvanshah Maiden Tower. Different kinds of daggers. How Maiden Tower used to look from inside years ago, decades ago. Arzu will tell more about its history.
So while they're having a tour inside, I'll tell you about Maiden Tower. The Maiden Tower is a 12th century monument in the old city Baku, Azerbaijan. Along with the Shirvanshahs Palace, it forms a group of historic monuments under the UNESCO World Heritage List. It's almost 30 meters. There are up to 20 legends about the Maiden Tower. I'll insert one of the legendary tales on this clip. This place is water treatment system built in the 17th century in the central yard of the Baku Khan's palace. Double gates of Baku inner city. The old city is the most ancient part of Baku, which is surrounded by walls. In 2007, the old city had a population of about 3,000 people. Here you can find restaurants and cafes, while mostly traditional ones, museums, shops, etc. Here you can see a pomegranate Azerbaijani attribute, and there we saw a granny, a typical Azerbaijani grandmother, a very old one. And this one is from a movie, an old one again, a retro movie, which was called either Olmasın Bolsun, or some people know it as Meshadibat. To be honest, I didn't know that my city is this big before. These vehicles are so handy for people to avoid walking. Now I'm looking for a restaurant called Old Mangal. We've been there before. Now Nicola wants to try the same food, Azerbaijani cuisine there as well. Right now again, but I can't find. If only I could find a local among all the tourists, I would ask. Only Only the sailors are native people. I'm walking back to pick up Nicola's parents. I'm Nicola now. Then we're gonna head to the restaurant to have lunch. Here is the restaurant, we found it. We made it.
Nothing, enjoying memories.
Waiting for food. You
Yes.
hungry?
Enjoying thinking about old memories, things coming back.
Alright.
A lot of good memories from this restaurant.
Attributes of Azerbaijan.
Čelavko.
Compot was too sweet for them. Nicola mixed it with still water. This is what we ordered.
Kako, pa moramo da
Called
slikamo šta smo
kebab
jeli.
barbecue.
Čekaj, ja moram
O,
sad.
And this is another kind of barbecue.
Prdni ruku, Nikola.
Lule kebab, pika kebab, and
Let's go.
potato kebab. With compot,
Šta je ovo, ne
mangal
znam.
salad, some other salads.